Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we are going to write a Python code to capture the packets and print detailed information about them. So first, we need to import Scapy library. So from Scapy, all import asterisk. We will write a function to capture packets and print information about them. So we are going to name it, this is our function, packet callback, and it takes a packet. This function will be called for every packet captured. The packet object is passed as an argument. Now check for IP layer. So we are going to type if IP in packet. This checks if the packet has an IP layer. If true, it proceeds to extract IP related information. Next, we are going to extract source and destination IPs. So that will be IP source packet IP source and then IP destination packet. IP addresses are accessed through the packet's IP layer attributes. Now we are going to print source IP be IP source destination IP IP destination. Now we are going to check for TCP layer. So this will be if TCP in a packet. This checks if the packet has a TCP layer. TCP is a common protocol for data transmission. So we are going to now extract TCP ports. So this will be first TCP S port set to packet TCP S port. Then we have TCP D port set to packet TCP D port. Then we are going to print source port and destination port. Port. This will be TCP S port, destination port, D port. Now, next we are going to display TCP flags. TCP flag packet TCP flags print f TCP flags, then print the value of TCP flags. TCP flags or examples are SYN, acknowledge, indicates the state of the TCP connection. Then we are going to print packet summary. This should be underneath if. So now print the summary of the packet. Just gonna do print packet summary. Now we are going to start snipping packets by calling snip function. So this will be this snip function begins capturing packets, and we are going to add PRN parameter. The PRN parameter specifies the call back function to handle each packet, and count value set to 10 limits the capture to 10 packets. So now we can run our script. Just need to adjust this, the indentation for this one. Now I just cd into the directory where my script is and just lists. And now I'm just gonna run this one. Packet capture .py script file and add a sudo with it so we don't have any permission problems to capture packets. Just start it and it will start capturing the packets and printing their information. And here is that. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.